Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about knitting abbreviation BRK, which stands for brioche knit stitch. When done back and forth like this, it basically creates a rib, a 1 by 1 rib. It's similar to a fisherman's rib. It's very squishy. It's much more squishy than if you were to knit purl. And it's a fast and quick way to create a rib. And brioche is often used with color work and fancy, beautiful designs, but this is specifically brioche back and forth in a knit stitch. So you can cast on any number of stitches. On my sample here on my needle, I have an even number of stitches because I'm going to do salvage knit ends. And the setup is the same as when you continue knitting, with one caveat. The setup creates this like X stitch basically on your needles, and yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So I'm gonna do a salvage knit stitch. And then I'm gonna do a yarn over and slip the next stitch purlwise. Next stitch, I'm gonna knit. And I'm not bringing the yarn to the back. It's gonna naturally come to the back once I do the knit stitch. And as you can see, as I'm doing the knit stitch, it creates that X, the crossover in the stitches. So knit that. Once again, yarn over, slip purlwise. My stitches are a little tight. Knit next stitch. Yarn over, slip purlwise, knit. And you just kind of, once you get going, you really do get into a groove of it, because it's a much faster way to rib. Knit, and then I'm gonna knit the salvage stitch. All right, so we've got our setup, and as you can see, we got a regular stitch and then a crossover stitch. Regular, crossover, regular, crossover. So what you do is, so once again, salvage, knit stitch. When you're at a regular stitch, yarn over, slip the regular stitch purlwise. When you get to the crossover stitches, you knit those stitches together. So once again, we're at a regular stitch. I've yarn over, slip that purlwise, knit the crossover stitches together. So single is single, double is double, basically, is how I would remember that. Yarn over, slip, two together. Yarn over, slip, two together. And I'm at the salvage end, and knit that one. So it kind of looks like a mess when you just start, and you'll question your sanity. Am I doing this right? I assure you, you are. And basically, you do that exact same thing over and over and over again. You see a regular stitch, you yarn over, slip that stitch. The crossover stitch, you knit those together. And you end up with the squishy, wonderful 1x1 rib.